Before starting the video, I would like to tell you something about IBPSguide.com. In their website, they daily provide you with free questions which will help you boost your preparation of either banking examination or SSC examination. Also, you can check out their test series which has very high standard questions, and also all the questions are accompanied by detailed solutions. Okay, so you don't have to wonder here and there for the solutions. And also towards the end of the test, they provide you with analysis that how well you have performed, which are the areas which you must work on. Also, the tests are available in both the language, that is Hindi and English, so you can switch between both the languages, and it is accessible either on mobile application or desktop, whichever suits you. Okay, for more information about IBPS Guide quality mocks, you can visit their e-store, that is e-store.ibpsguide.com. Now let's move on to our video.
Hello everyone, welcome to IBPS Guide. So in this particular video we will see a linear arrangement with 10 people and with their ages. This is very tricky puzzle, friends. So this video is very important for your IBPS PO as well as Clerk 2018. So without further delay, let's see which is the first question. And also both puzzle is in Hindi format as well as in English format. So just take a screenshot. Okay, move on करते हैं next slide की ओर. So here is the first puzzle, friends. Just take a screenshot and try by yourself. Give 3 to 4 minutes. You will easily solve this question. ठीक है, आपने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया होगा, इसको आप टाइम दीजिए, खुद से करिए इसको, 3 से 4 मिनट में आपसे बन भी जाएगी. चलिए नेक्स्ट करते हैं, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड की ओर, जहां हम लोग इंग्लिश वाले वर्जन को लेके इस पजल को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है ना, इजी पजल मैं नहीं कहूंगा इसको, थोड़ी सी ट्रिकी है ये. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. 10 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J are sitting in a straight row at equal distance. 5 of them are facing south and 5 of them facing north. No 3 consecutive people are facing same direction. ये कह रहे हैं कि तीन लोग एक ही डायरेक्शन में नहीं बैठे हैं. ठीक है, each of these 10 people is of different age. E sits to the right of I. See, यहां पे कॉम्बिनेशंस दिया हुआ है किसका, एज का और सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट का. ठीक है ना, अब हमें क्या करना है, पहले हमें उन 10 पर्सन की डायरेक्शन के साथ सिटिंग करवा देनी है, उसके बाद हम एज वाली लाइन पे वर्कआउट करेंगे. तो अभी क्या बोला गया है, ई सिट्स टू द राइट ऑफ आई. अब कितने राइट पे, सेकेंड राइट में, थर्ड राइट में, नहीं पता, मूव ऑन करो. जी सिटिंग सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ जे हु इज 16 ईयर यंगर देन जी. H is as many younger to I as I is to D. Only 3 people are sitting between D and G. G is 25 years older than D and they both are facing same direction, and also none of them sitting on one of the extreme end. Na to G, na to D. Okay. C is sitting 6th to the right of B. See, this is a maximum number giving here na, 6th right of B. But we don't know the exact direction of B till this much information. We don't know the direction of B. But means talking about C. C second to the left of F. C is second to the left of F, who is one of the extreme end. ठीक है ना, आगे पढ़ो. Age of A is 40% more than D and sitting 4 to the right of E. Again, and talking about age of A is 40% more than age of D. Here the use of D is just comparing with the age of D. Okay, यहाँ पे हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं D की एज के साथ. अदरवाइज बात की गई किसकी, सिर्फ A की ही की गई है. A is sitting 4 to the right of E, who is 31 year younger to him, and him denote करता किसको है, ये A को करता है. I is sitting second to the right of H and also second to the right of B, who is facing north. So this is a very important line. This is a very clue from which you can start. So just note down B, and B is facing north direction. And from this line we know that C is sitting 6th to the right of B, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 C. And also C is second to the left of F, who is sitting extreme end. If you place extreme end somewhere here, which is not possible, friends, because from this F and C we can't say that C is second to the left of F. Not possible. We can only say this when F is somewhere here and F direction is north, then only second to the left C is there. ठीक है, तो and F is at क्या है, एक्सट्रीम एंड है. तो बाकी के जो बचे हुए पर्सन्स होंगे वो इसी साइड होंगे कहीं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड द 10th पर्सन इज दिस. This much information is clear. Now read further. Difference between the age of people sitting extreme end is 16 year. I is 3 year younger than F. J is 39 year older and sitting fifth to the left of I. Okay, I is here and J is here. Person sitting to the immediate left of G is 72 year. Now see, from which point should I start now? देखो कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, एक बार फिर से ओवरव्यू लेंगे. ई सिटिंग नहीं पता कुछ भी. जी इज सिटिंग सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ जे. ओके, हु इज 16 ईयर नहीं पता अभी भी. आगे चलो, अब वो लाइन ढूंढो कुछ जो इनमें से कोई ऐसा वर्ड होगा जो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट हो और उसके बारे में कुछ लेफ्ट राइट के बारे में कुछ बता रखा हो. चलो देखते हैं क्या बोला. आई इज सिटिंग, ये देखो, आई इज सिटिंग सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ एच एंड ऑल्सो आई इज सिटिंग second to the right of B. So B is here 1 2. Whose position is this? I. ठीक है. Now again I and H से कुछ related term दिया है. दिया देखो, I is sitting second to the right of H. I is sitting second to the right of H. Means H and I के बीच में गैप कितना होगा? एक का होगा. I एक का गैप H नॉट पॉसिबल. I एक का गैप H पॉसिबल है. I is sitting second to the right of H. It means the direction of H is south direction. ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर है सबको. Now again, J is 39 year old and sitting fifth to the left of I. So fifth to the left of I, if you place north direction, then 1 2 3 not possible. When you place I's direction south direction, then only it is possible. 1 2 3 4 and fifth. Who is this position? J is position. Now what we say that J is 39 year old. J is 39 year old. Now anything else related to J? Let's see. There is one line written here that J, I is 3 year person. Okay, there is one line written here about J. You see, G is sitting second to the right of J. Second to the right of J means if you say that J's direction north, then second right means somewhere here. If you say J's direction is in south, then 1 2 G is here. And how many persons are sitting between G and D? That is only 3 persons. So G is here 1 2 3. D is somewhere here. Okay. Now in the very first line he is saying E is sits to the right of I. Now I is here. Now if you say E is sits to the right of I means somewhere here or here. Just tell me first this thing. No. If I is facing in south direction, then right is somewhere here and the only position is left for this is E here. Now if you say age of A is 40% more than age of D, this line is talking about age, but if we read further, he is saying sitting 4 to the right of E, means if E's direction is in south, the right of fourth right will be in such somewhere here. 1 2 3 4. A is here. Now we have to focus on direction. See, this is north, this is north, then this must be a south. And also we know that the direction of D and G are same. See here, D and G is 25 and they both are facing same direction. If D is facing south direction, then G is also facing south direction. Okay. Now south cannot be placed here. The only is north direction. Now south, then definitely in north direction, north south, because it is clearly mentioned no 3 consecutive people are facing in the same direction. So we already placed persons in different directions. Now our target is to focus on only on ages. So हम age को करेंगे, इस डायग्राम को as it is रहने देंगे और ऊपर हमने जो ये लाइन खींची है इनको रब कर देंगे. ठीक है ना. अब हमको सिर्फ एज पे ही फोकस करना है. तो अब हम कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मुझे जे की एज पता है 39 ईयर ओल्ड है. तो हम इस पैराग्राफ में कुछ ऐसा टर्म ढूंढें जिससे कि हमको जे से ही कनेक्टिविटी कुछ मिल जाए. तो एक लाइन हमको मिल गई थी स्टार्टिंग में ही कि जी की एज इज सिटिंग सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ जे हु इज 16 ईयर यंगर देन जी, मींस जे इज यंगर देन जी. means J is 39 year old and G से younger है कौन? J means J छोटा है G से means 16 year और ऐड कर दो 9 plus 6 is 15 3 plus 1 4 and 5 55 year का कौन होगा? G होगा. Then only this line will be satisfied. G is sitting second to the right of J. This is the position. J who is 16 year younger than G. If G is 55 year, then only J is 39. The age difference between them is 16 year. This information is clear. Now what we focus is anything which is related to J or G age. So there is one line here. G is 25 year older than D. So now G's age is comparing with D's age. So now we can easily get the D's age. So G is 25 year older than D. Means G is बड़ा है age में. Means 55 minus 25. That is 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 2 is 30. If D is 30 years of age, then only G is 25 year older. G is 25 year older than D. If you add D's in D age 25, then you will get G. This information is clear. Now what we focus on next age is A's age. A's age. Age of A is 40% more than the age of D. D's age is 30. 40% means कितना हुआ आपका? 30 का 40% लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 12 आएगा. And age of A is more than age of D. So 30 plus 12, that is 42 years of age. A's age is 42. Now again, and sitting 4 to the right of E who is 31 year younger to him. A's age से we are comparing with A's age. So 31 year younger to him. E who is 31 year younger means E जो है छोटा है कितने साल? 31 year. So 42 minus 31. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 3 is 1. 11 years. Who is 11 year? This. E is 11 year. And also now again difference between the age of people who are sitting extreme end is 16 year. Now the difference means 11 plus 16 हो सकता था. किसकी एज? F की एज. या फिर 11 and 16. 6 minus 1 that is 5. 11 minus 16 that is 5 or 5. But 5 is not possible the age of F because further it will give a negative age when we compare. I will show you that possibility also, but we will first go with this one age, that E's age is 11, then F age should be 27, then only 27 and 11, the 16 year of gap is there, age difference. Now F age is 27, but he is saying I is 3 years younger to F. So F is 27, then I is 24 years of age. And also we know that H is as many year younger to I. H छोटा है I से, H छोटा है I से, as I is to D, मतलब I is younger to D. I is 24 year of age and D is 30. I कितना younger है D से? कितना younger है? 6 year. तो I and H में H कितने year younger होगा I से? Yes, exactly. 24 minus 6, that is 18. Okay. Now what is the age of C? Here is clearly mentioned that person sitting to the immediate left of G. G's immediate left means this one is 72. This is your 72 years of age. So none of the information is giving the age of B. So this is your right diagram. सबका यही आया होगा. अब मन में जो डाउट है उसको क्लियर करते हैं कि सर एज ऑफ F जो है वो 5 भी हो सकती थी क्योंकि 11 और 5 एज डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 16 का ही तो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? बताओ. देखते हैं फिर से एक बार. देखो 11 और 5. अब आप एक बार बताओ 11 प्लस 5 करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 16 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? तो एज डिफरेंस इनके बीच में 16 ईयर का है, मैं मानता हूं. बट आगे फॉरवर्ड करो अपनी इस इंफॉर्मेशन को, तो देखो क्या मिलता है, I is 3 year younger to F, means I's age will be, when F age is 5, then I's age will be 5 minus 2, that is 3 year. Now I is how much younger than D? See, 28 year. Then the 28 year H is younger than I. Clear? Information is clear or not? See, sorry, not this age is not 3, I is 3 year younger, so 5 minus 3, that is 2. It's my mistake, but don't worry, just see, I's age is 2. Again H is younger than I, then see 2 minus 28, that will give minus 26, and age cannot be in negative now. So this case is false. That is why I will take 27 years of age. So I think everyone is clear with this logic and concepts. तो काफी अच्छी पजल थी, ट्रिकी पजल थी, तो आप सभी का यही आंसर आया होगा. Okay. So if you like this puzzle, just like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, friends. And for the quality mock, just visit IBPSguide.com. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, friends.